Good morning, one and all. Let us start grade 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Students, our today's topic is method of cross multiplication. Means how we solve a system of equation by the method of cross multiplication. In order to understand this method, see a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is what? This is your linear equation in two variables, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, as well as your linear equation in two variables. Method, what our method suggests? Method suggests x divided by, this is the formula to solve this, x divided by b1, b2, c1, c2, and there is a cross multiplication between these two. Further equals to minus by upon a1, a2, c1, c2, as well as cross multiplication between them. Further equals to 1 upon a1, a2, b1, b2, as well as cross multiplication also between them. Students, in order to learn this formula, I am now giving you one trick. See, b1, b2. See, this is first. This is a1 and a2 are your first columns. b1 and b2 elements of second column, and c1 and c2 elements of the third column. See, if I am writing this b1 and b2, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2 means column of second column. b1, b2. 3 means third column. c1, c2. 23. Then 13. I am writing here 13. Third 1. 1 means a1, a2. First columns. Then 3 means third columns. 23, 13. Then 12. You have to remember this. 1 means a1, a2 first column. 2 means b1, b2 second column. You have to remember this 23, 13, 12. In Hindi we can speak that 23, 13, 12. So you have to remember this formula. This is very important formula in order to find out the solution by the help of cross multiplication method. So let us solve one question. Solve system of equation by method of cross multiplication, and here is the two equations. So student, first of all, let us give this equation number 1 and give this equation number 2. First of all, we have to find out our constants a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Not constants but coefficients of x and y we have to find out. So in order to find out what we have to do, let us compare equation 1 by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and equation 2 by a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is your general linear equation in two variables. So on comparison, what we get, students? a1, and here I am writing, students, a2, then b1, then b2. Later on I am writing the value c1, c2. Let us write the values. a1, you can see that a1 value, students, 3, and b1 value, students, 2. Then students, c1 value is 2. Coefficient of y. See, b2 is coefficient of y in second equation, but here is no coefficient. So what is the coefficient of y? 1. So I am writing here, students, 1. c1 value, students, 25, and c2 value, students, 10. So I am writing here 25 and 10. So we are interested to apply our cross multiplication method. So let us apply. I am writing here, students, by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. So it means now we have to apply our formula. Sometimes if we forget the formula, so keep in mind what I suggest you, 23, 13 and 12. So I am writing here, see, 2, 3, 23, then 13, then my 13 and then my 12. So it means if I learn these numbers, so easily I or you can apply your formula. So I am writing here x, then equal to minus y, then equals to 1. So substitute the values. 2 means B1, B2. 3 means students C1, C2. And here is 1 means students A1, A2. 3 means students C1, C2. And divide by 1 means students A1, A2. And 2 means students B1, B2. Now it is easy for you guys. Just substitute the values. I am writing here X upon C. B1 value is 2 students and B2 value is 1 student. Then C1, C2, 25 and this value students 10. It further equals to minus y upon A1, A2. That is what 3 and here is 2. And then C1, C2. Here we have 25 and here we have guys 10. It further equals to 1 upon A1, A2. That is what 3 and here is what 2. And B1, B2, here we have 2 and here is 1. So the next process is we have to go for cross multiplication, because we are finding the solution by cross multiplication method. So it implies X upon C. First you have to multiply these two. So here is what 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20 minus. After this there is a sign of subtraction. 1 into 25 students 25 is equals to minus y upon 3 into 10 students 30. Then minus is there. Then 2 into 25 50 students. It further equals to 1 upon students 3 into 1 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Now students, I require some space, so I have to rub this part, unrub this part and try to write my solution here. See, it further equals to, it implies, see, x upon what I am getting, x upon 20 minus 5, I am getting 20 minus 25, I am left with minus 5 is equals to minus y upon minus 20. It further equals to 1 upon minus 1. Now student, you can see all these are equal to one another. So it means this part is equal to this and this part is also equal to this. Actually we are interested to find the value of x and y. So what I am do students here, x upon minus 5 is equals to 1 upon minus 1. Or I am writing, okay, 1 upon minus 1. I am writing here one line, mark one line, minus y upon minus 20 is also equals to 1 upon minus 1. Now it is easy for solvation. X is equals to, go for cross multiplication again, minus 1 upon minus 5 upon minus 1, minus cancel. We are left with the value of x which is equals to 5. And here is what negative cancel itself. So y is equals to what? 20 upon minus 1. So it further implies y is equals to minus 20. So this is the value of y. So at the last you should write in the box, therefore, or hence the value of x is equals to what? The value of x is 5 and the value of y is what? Minus 20. See students, this is your actual method, cross multiplication. How to solve the cross multiplication method in order to find the value of a variable present in the system of a linear equation in two variables. Hope you understand the way to solve this question and try to solve the same questions at your home. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.